Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. We're looking at Titano, the best auto staking and auto compounding protocol in crypto. The highest fixed APY, 102,000%. First automatic staking and compounding in your wallet. Now that's why I'm looking at this coin mainly, is due to the fact that your coins stays in your wallet and you get rewards every 30 minutes. That's 48 times a day. But before we move on, smash that like button and remember to subscribe so we can keep on growing the crypto adoption. Now looking at Titano's front page, scroll down. Titano Auto Staking Protocol, 102,483.58% fixed staking. Titano.finance is transforming DeFi with the Titano Auto Staking Protocol that delivers the industry's highest fixed APY, rebashing rewards every 30 minutes, and a simple buy, hold, earn system that grows your portfolio in your wallet fast. Now that is a key thing. My coins stays in my wallet. The Titano rewards holders with automatic compound interest, increasing their Titano holdings over time. How it works? Treasury revenue, buy and sell fees. A portion of the buy and sell fees help sustain the Titano treasury revenue. 5% of the trading volume is redirected to the RFV, this helping control the Titano staking protocol distribution. Secondly, treasury growth, Titano treasury. Treasury inflows increase the Titano treasury balance and backs outstanding Titano tokens. Staking rewards, Titano token compounds automatically with treasury backed currency with interest value. Price link accumulating yield. Titano Play. Titano Play is the new Titano tab based project that allows Titano token holders to generate even more rewards. Simple, powerful, and proven. Your Titano tokens give you access to play, easy to enter, easy to play, multiple big winners each week. No one loses their initial deposit. Even if you don't win, keep all of your money. Now that's an interesting one. You keep your money, you play, you can win, but if you lose, you still keep your money. How much can you earn? Well, we'll get to that section. The tokenomics. Titano tokenomics explain. Titano is a BIP20 token with elastic supply that rewards holders using a possible rebase formula. The treasury, 3% of the purchase and 8% of the sales goes directly to the treasury, which supports the RAV. The risk-free value, 5% of the trading fees are redirected to the RAV, which helps sustain the staking rewards provided by the positive rebase. And the automatic LP, 5% of the trading fees returns to the liquidity, ensuring Titano's increasing collateral value. You can find them on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and a lot more. And we'll look at their stats on CoinGecko also. Talking about us, so they're out there and they're growing. If we look at their Telegram channel, it's growing massively with 22,700 people in it already. Now let's do a quick overview. If we look at Titano's documents, I've read most of them. I'm just going to point out a few things I've seen. Titano is positioned to lead the revelation in DeFi with the Titano Auto Staking Protocol or TAP, a new financial protocol that makes staking easier and gives Titano token holders the highest stable returns in crypto. Now, the high staking returns could be the issue. But what I like here is my coin stays in my wallet and I'm earning on them. looking at this, there's nothing much more that's interesting. The main thing is, if we look at the audit report, there's a few things that stands out. The first is the initial supply of 4 billion titano is minted to the owner upon deployment. The maximum allowed supply of titano is this. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that amount because I'll probably say it wrong. So that's the one issue. It seems like an unlimited amount that can get minted. And then one more thing which I don't like. The owner may adjust the fees to any value up to 100% at any time. That's two things I've seen in the audit report which I really don't like. But with that kind of returns, I do want to take the opportunity. I'm going to work on a strategy of taking some of my profits out and keep growing it so I can get my initial amount back as fast as possible. Yesterday when I started looking at it, the coin's price were 14 cents. Now if we go to coin market cap and look at Titano, we can see in the last 24 hours, the coin's price dropped from 11 cents up to 14 cents. The 7-day low was 9 cents and the high was 21 cents. If we go to the max chart, we can see the price started with 0.006 of a cent. And the all-time high we've seen seems to be that 21 cents lately. So they're on CoinMarketCap, they're on CoinGecko. The information is available. But let's get to Titano. Simple, I got funds in my MetaMask wallet. I'm just going to connect my wallet and I'm going to click on Swap Titano, which should open the Pancake Swap page. We got the Pancake Swap page. I'm going to use BUSD since I want to buy myself $100 worth of Titano. Or yes, we'll do $100 worth. We'll buy the Titano. Now, for your slippage, the buy slippage is 13% and the sell slippage is 18%. So I'm just going to switch that up and make sure we get it through. We'll swap the Titano. Or did I get it wrong? Let's see. The buy tax might be 18%. I might have swapped it around. Let's find out. There we go. So the tax is 18% on your buys and 13% on your sells. We'll just wait for it to load. As we can see, they deducted the tax and I have 615 coins for $100. And when we go back to Titano, you can see it's showing my amount of coins. And all I'm going to do is click on stake. And that should stake my coins. Just connect my wallet again. And we're all sorted. Now, they have an estimated calculator here. And it says, add the token amount here. Now, let's put in my 615 tokens. If I leave these 615 tokens, in 7 days' time, the balance will be $101. If I leave it for 1 month, my balance will be $158. If I leave it for 6 months, my amount will be $2,800. And if I leave it for 1 year, the estimated amount is $90,000. But now, here's the catch. It can be $90,000 if the price per coin stays at 14 cents. Now, people's gonna come in. It's free money. The price of the coin might fluctuate a lot. That's why I'm gonna do a strategy where I take out some of my profits and keep on growing it to get my initial capital back as fast as possible. Who knows? The crypto world is creating endless opportunities, and if we don't take them and don't manage our risk, we'll never know. I've put in $100 because I do see this as a high risk opportunity due to the Mac with that API of 102,000%. A lot of people's gonna come in, they're gonna get their tokens and they're gonna sell them. Do your own due diligence and make sure you know what you're getting into. Hopefully Titano can last and make us a bunch of crypto. Have a great one. Enjoy the gains. Take care.